Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to make
Turmeric powder from fresh turmeric roots.
Let's get started.
We Indians use turmeric powder in almost all our dishes. These fresh turmeric roots are from local Indian grocery stores. Clean and peel the turmeric roots. Cut them into thin equal slices. If you are living in a tropical place, sun dry them or bake in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. Or in a dehydrated tray, then follow its instructions. I'm using dehydrator. It's going to take 8 hours. This is after 8 hours. Look at now, they shrunk. It's a little moist, so I'm going to dry them in a pan for about 2 minutes on a low heat. Leave it on a plate until it cools down before you make them into powder. Turmeric is good for skin. Turmeric face mask to help reduce acne. I like to make small quantities and store them in a glass bottle. It smells so good and so fresh. Nowadays, I make all my spices at home. I'll share my recipes with you soon.
For more easy and tasty recipes, please subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.